Right, hi guys, I hope you can hear me all right. I'm just going to demonstrate a practical that some of the guys who are in lessons this week are going to be doing with me. So it's going to be a reduction reaction. If you think back to the chemical reactions topic, we've talked about oxidation and reduction, we've talked about extracting metals, and I'm just going to demonstrate how to do an extraction of a metal, a reduction reaction, using iron oxide and a match. First I'm going to dip my match head in the water to get it wet. That's only so that the other compounds can stick to it. I'm using sodium bicarbonate here, sodium Na2CO3, and all that's going to do is going to mean that the iron will get into contact with the carbon when that needs to happen during the reaction. Then I'm taking some iron oxide, which is obviously a rusty colour, mainly because it is in fact rust. So I just dip that in there as well, get a nice coating, and then we're ready to go. So obviously, if I take a magnet, here's one. If I take this magnet here, you can see that that's not at all magnetic. That iron oxide is not going anywhere, right? However, once we've released the iron from the iron oxide, it should be magnetic again. So all I need to do now, making sure I've got my safety specs on and my lab coat, because obviously safety is important, we will need the correct PPE, is I'm going to stick the match into the blue Bunsen burner flame, let that burn, okay, provide it with enough energy for that reaction to occur. And whilst that's burning, all that's happening is that the carbon is from the match. Okay, the wood of the match is obviously made of carbon. When you heat that up, because the sodium carbonate will bring that iron a bit closer to the carbon, it will react, and the carbon, which is more reactive than the iron, will take the oxygen from the iron oxide, form carbon dioxide, and that will be released to the atmosphere. The iron should still be on the end of this match head. So if I take a weighing boat, okay, and just give that a little crush, we should find that there's actually some nice bits of iron in the weighing boat. I'm just going to come around the other side and show you that. So what we should now be able to see, if I hold there's my weighing boat. Okay, if I hold this magnet underneath, you can see that the iron is now actually iron. It's being moved by the magnet, which shows it's magnetic. It shows that the iron oxide has been reduced, okay, and we've got pure iron in there. All right. Right, I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I'll see you soon.